Do you have the time, please?
Czy ma pani czas, proszę?
7:45 a.m.
7:45 rano.
It is 7:45 in the morning.
Jest 7:45 rano.
15 minutes to 8 a.m.
15 minut przed 8 rano.
It is 45 minutes past 7 a.m.
Jest 45 minut po 7 rano.
The time is 7:45.
Jest kwadrans do 8. Do you have the time, please?
7:45 a.m.
Do you have the time, please?
It is 7:45 in the morning.
Do you have the time, please?
15 minutes to 8 a.m.
Do you have the time, please?
It is 45 minutes past 7 a.m.
Do you have the time, please?
The time is 7:45.